of the Amazfit product GTS2 here on the bread. Also here, the color changes are more beautiful and chrome as on this side of the box. We have my screen AMOLED, the blood oxygen control and multiple sports activities. Here on the other side, long battery life control monitoring. Of sleep and music, also storage for music when you listen offline. Here behind some product information just mention Bluetooth 5.0, also saying that it connects both S4 with Android. You will be able to connect it. Okay, let's open the box now for the We can get to know the watch together by removing it. Here we have a box. Inside the box it's there, guys. Oh, we already have the watch here. How to remove it just like it was on GTR2. The packaging is the same. Okay, here there is nothing else there. You can type it here. Watch the watch on here. On the side you have here the manual and the warranty certificate in this box, and here on the other side we have the charging cable and here the USB account, and here on the other side you will approach the rear on the bottom of the smartwatch I wanted. Connect there via an IMA. OK, and accessories that comes in the box. Let's put everything aside to know, and here in hand, guys, the simple and beautiful smartwatch is here. On the left side we only have the sound output. You can see the top there, the audio output. Here on the right side only the button that is to access the menu. You can also configure it to be a quick access key. It has a screen pattern all in 3D right with the edges of a 1.65-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution is of 341 TPI. Here at the bottom of the Mars watch there are only the little buttons here for you to post the charger right to be able to charge it, and me also heart rate sensors, pressure, blood oxygenation. Blood pressure is not blood relation, and here the bracelet is also not standard 20 mm that comes. His silicone, he has the tip here metal candle, and his box is also all in matte metal black. Okay, but you also have two other options in silver and gold are also pretty, but for now you can only find the black version. So much by Banggood, how much by AliExpress, the main stores that sell smartwatch for now only. Let us call here for us to take a look at this lit screen. Remembering here, guys, it has a 246 million battery that will give you a normal use in Rodrigo passes activity and just as long as an average of 7 days. Okay, Rodrigo, I don't use it so much, just to see a good time. Come, you'll have it on your smartwatch for 15 to 20 days without having to load it, and it's there with you are seeing global version Brazil. Okay, asking for us to download the application. That is the zip code is in this QR code, and we will already connect the smartwatch directly to it. I downloaded the ZEP scanner application that he wants to record, and he already recognized here. Okay, he will click here to accept. He already does. I came around here to Mars watch here, guys. Osmer uncle here on the beautiful wrist wears a good one, measures 3 meters wide by 4 centimeters high. We have a very good fit. Very beautiful because they are here made of silicone fibelina in steel, and his box is also in steel. Here, guys, the smartwatch home screen. By clicking here keeping we can change the watch face, remembering that there are other options to add here through the app. And depending on watch face you can even personalize it. You are staying here in this little pencil you personalize, so you choose what you want in each position here. Okay, what function do you want to appear on the screen? For example here heart rate, here steps on here. The weather forecast, you can choose what you want here, customize it. Also in these others below function we already had in the GPS one was already normal. This is here, it will now save your settings. Okay, here, guys, from top to bottom people. There's this flashlight from the guys who want to see the screen's occupancy rate. The flashlight is already on here. The screen brightness, I'm going to turn off the automatic. I must set it to maximum brightness so that everyone can see it very clearly. Do not disturb the economy night mode in. Energy block the screen in this gadgetgig here you have to locate the smartphone here his audio volume 1 also put the maximum volume here the theater mode and here is for you to keep the screen on for 20 minutes okay he has this option we will also come back here for main screen here from bottom to top there are notifications, there is no message and here from right to left we have a parent mode which is the summary of physical activities right here also goals summary of goals here is for you to measure heart rate okay it will measure here as it is not in it will not hurt here now weather forecast when you think from the bottom up it will give you sunrise and sunset today's weather forecast for the next few days also very complete if you can have access here everything is fine what are the songs right you have to store them through the app you transfer mp3 songs here to be saved in his internal memory so you can listen connect directly to your earphone here as a summary alarm climate mode father heart rate activity goal blood oxygenation age summary here we go back to the home screen when this button here will access the menu mode parent frequency blood oxygenation exercise here guys have 12 different sports activities okay and the one you still have you can add others there manually depending on the type of activity that you want to add this that gives you a lady almost knows infinite age you have everything there you can control everything there and here you adjust what is the order sequence of the list you want it to appear on the screen here activities are records of the activities performed no there is nothing he stress level also he measures the stress level you are very stressed he will send you to stop activity goal also we have seen music also we have come weather alarm events tell me here a compass altimeter barometer stopwatch count regressive and find the smartphone OK settings of the display San Jose of faces networks and connections you can connect and apply here directly on Bluetooth in your headset as I already told you there you can leave your smartphone at home listen to this song since she be saved here on the clock OK display brightness adjustment also already showed you automatic screen shutdown here after 30 seconds you will get more battery no problem and here permanent display that Allison display here next to the digital display dial the dial display put here the digital display okay and here it is just that guys we will return here only in vibration preferences in user and system whoever you prefer has to press the side button twice will give you access write a shortcut you wanted the shortcut that you want it to pass when you double click here on the side button quick access application there you will check on here will also select training detection it will automatically detect if you are doing activity and direction of use right or left button this is which arm you are using is right or left okay I will here simulate an activity to show you a say what be it a walk okay it has internal GPS can connect the Strava your Strava account directly there in Zap I'll show you and then you do your activity record everything here after you transfer it directly to your smartphone and you can share it at the end your criterion him but he has internal GPS okay another question that people ask has Rodrigo this smartwatch has NFC no man has no FC you can't make payment using him okay let's go now to the app here guys we're already on the app's home screen of Zap it from here to us a summary of the activities already carried out as there is nothing right here and enjoy alarm programming clock face relatives and friends destination setting call received app alert finally all these here in profile you have my lab coat how about Amazfit GTS 2 already configured already connected here we have the option as I told you to only add accounts when available Alexia will appear here so here you have Google Fit Strava you can already connect link your account here okay and here you will access smartwatch will connect synchronize. Already they're synchronizing the data here. Accessing the store, we have access to several different faces for you to download and transfer to your smartwatch. You can also manage what is inside the watch, which will be outside you can to control. Here what I did not find the option for you to be able to put a personalized photo and image of you personalized as a background, right, like Facebook notifications for app list reminders and configure everything here, or if you are old also SMS notification of goals vibration monitoring. Cheers. His watch settings smooth glow arm you can configure directly by the app, also managing the list of apps. Organize here the sequence of applications to appear on the watch screen. Shortcut cards that I had already shown you. Also for the watch frequency sharing link limits run in the background. System update. Let's check that you are looking for the latest version 3.0.1. OK, soon you will be receiving an update so you can link your Alexa account from Amazon here directly on the smartwatch here. Also when you click on music you can add the songs here to transfer to the watch directly also, so you can listen to music offline here guys. For phone calls it doesn't show a chore. OK, you don't have an option to build it here. When someone calls you, if you have everything connected correctly, the name will appear on the watch. It will vibrate the contact name and the phone number will appear for you. Can from here directly from the clock dial the number you want to call. OK, I'll put an audio test here for you. Come on, you can hear here the audio quality of his volume is already at maximum. Put near the microphone here, his audio is good. Very loudly, very strong. You can calmly hear what is playing here by the exit. I came here on his side. You can see the sound quality is very satisfactory for him, and the test I made of the phone call also the person can listen without any problem quietly on the other side. Gives beauty line here. Now I will show you only the heart rate and we'll do the heart pressure measurement here. 7675 beats. OK, back here now again here. Blood oxygenation has to stop. Keep the screen facing up and support the arm horizontally on the table. I will see on here. And here it concluded 88% blood oxygenation measurement with 80 beats per minute here in widget. Also barometer altimeter. You already see how the scheme is here. Imply information here. Altitude value is estimated based on the reading of the air pressure sensor and such etc. etc. even for you to see his interface, right, the altimeter and barometer here. But that was it guys. I hope you liked the video. I tried to give you a summary here, a video only of all the functions of the new Amazfit GTS 2 guys. Are liked, leave a like video. Share a lot too so that everyone can know a little more about this. Be right, we are together guys. Thank you very much. Stay with God. A big hug and until next time. I went.